Should you pay for A-tools or use free versions? I tested both. Here's exactly which free A-tools beat paid alternatives and where to splurge. Free A-tools are game changers for creators and freelancers. You can test workflows, build skills, and deliver client work without subscription costs. But here's the catch. Free versions often have limitations like watermarks, lower quality outputs, or restricted usage. Knowing which free tools genuinely compete with paid options saves you thousands annually. ChatGPT pre-tier handles content creation brilliantly. Canva's free plan crushes design needs for small businesses. Perplexity offers better research than ChatGPT. The script removes backgrounds and edits video without upgrades. Runway Gen 3. Each replaces expensive software, perfect for bootstrapping creators. Pay when free limitations hurt your output quality or income. If you're selling designs, upgrade to premium tools for commercial licenses. High-volume users need removal of usage caps. Obby Access requires paid plans. Dedicated support matters for client-facing work. Think of upgrades as business investments, not optional expenses. Layer free and paid tools strategically. Use free ChatGPT for brainstorming, paid Claude for complex analysis. Start with Canva free, upgrade when templates limit your vision. Test tools free first, commit to paid only when proven valuable. This approach minimizes waste while maximizing capability and your competitive edge. Found this helpful? Subscribe for weekly AI tool reviews, hit like and comment which free tool you're trying next.